Hello everyone and welcome to this EU Masters mini tutorial, mini but mighty. Do you know all the different processing levels at which EU data is distributed? Are you aware how they are defined? If not, this video is for you. The levels range from the raw, unprocessed signal received from the satellite to highly processed data. With each level, more values added to, respectively, extracted from the data. These processing levels help researchers and scientists to access data depending on their specific application and research objectives. NASA defined in 1986 a set of processing levels to classify standard data products. The idea was that the level would reflect the type of data processing that had been performed, allowing the user to determine the suitable uses for it. The levels are cumulative, meaning that as processing input, the data of the level below is used. The classification system has evolved over time to what we use today. While the levels follow the same common scheme, they may be defined slightly differently by the different space agencies and for different platforms and sensors. Let's review each level and see how it is defined. Level 0 data contains raw instrument and payload data at full resolution with communication artifacts removed. These are the initial measurements captured by the sensors. Usually there is no public access to this level of data. Level 1 contains mainly unprocessed instrument data amended with calibration and georeferencing data. Level 1 data can be traced back to its Level 0 data. Data may be extended by information like meteorological or classification data based on third-party data. Data at Level 1A contains reconstructed unprocessed instrument data at full resolution, time-referenced and annotated with ancillary information, for example, calibration coefficients. Georeferencing parameters are computed but not applied. Derived from Level 1A, Level 1B data is processed to sensor units. Level 1C includes new variables supporting the other data. Users can identify which channels are directly copied from L1B and which are synthesized from Level 1B. Sometimes the data is already georeferenced and auto-rectified at this level. Level 2 data contains derived geophysical variables at the same resolution and location as Level 1 source data, and the data is mapped into cartographic map reference systems. At this level, the data starts to be useful for most scientific applications. Level 2A contains information derived from geolocated sensor data, such as ground elevation. Often Level 2A contains atmospherically corrected variables and other metrics describing the intercepted surface. Level 2B contains data improved in spatial accuracy achieved by performing image rectification or georegistering the data with known locations. Level 3 provides variables mapped on uniform space-time grid scales, often summarized periodically, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Level 3 data is often reduced to one variable and also reduced in spatial resolution. But the spatial extent might be increased to cover certain regions or even the globe. Level 4 is the highest level. These are, for example, animated images showing the development of a region or statistical values. They can combine data from several satellites or model output, like interpolated values. There are various exceptions and extensions to the before-mentioned levels. For example, the data from the upcoming ESA mission FLEX shall be provided also at Level 2C and Level 2D. USGS defines the Level 1 data for the Landsat mission as Level 1 TP, Level 1 GT, and Level 1 GS. Without all the details, the levels can be summarized as follows. Level 0, uncompressed raw instrument data. Level 1, georeferenced data in sensor units. Level 2, derived geophysical variables projected to coordinate reference systems. Level 3, combined georeferenced data. Level 4, process to greatest amount, possibly including modeled or interpolated data from multiple sensors. I hope this video is helpful to you and that you have a better understanding of what data is provided at what level. You find references for further reading in the description text of this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more updates. Tschüss and goodbye!